Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel and like this video. Friends, please watch the video until the end, because if I make any changes in between the video, you can be able to note them without fail. So I suggest you to don't skip the video and watch the video until the end. So let's go to week 2 assignment in the joy of computing using Python. So friends, these are 100% accurate and 100% correct answers. If you have any doubt, so that you can comment that in the comment section. Feel free to comment. And let's go into the video. In the first question, identify the statement with an invalid syntax. So the answer for this is option D. Friends, I have done all the questions in the compiler and I'm giving you the answers. First three options will get executed and third will get invalid syntax. So D is the answer for first question. And coming to second question, predict the output. So friends, it will say it is invalid syntax error, because here we do not have colon, so we will get error. If there is semicolon like this, you would have not got the error and you will get, hey, you are eligible to vote. But here they have not given semicolon, so we will get invalid syntax. And coming to third question, what is the output of the following? Friends, I have done this in compiler previously. I have got the answer as a triangle, so the second option is correct. This is the correct answer. And coming to fourth question, and here n is the input. It will resulting as -1 power n, because I tried by giving number. For the even n, it is resulting +1. For odd n, it is resulting in -1. So it means -1 power any even number represents in positive, results in positive. So like that, I have found the output as -1 power n. So this is the answer for fourth question. Coming to fifth question, the correct answer for this is fourth option, because they are strings, so they do not add like 264. They are add like in the order m1 plus m2 plus m3, so 987987. so this is the answer. And coming to sixth question, here every time they are printing the output n for the value of n. At first here n equal to 2, so 2 printed, and 2 is multiplied again, so 2 square, here 2 square into 2, 2 cube, so 2 power 4 until 2 power 5. It means we use range function for 1 to 6. Here 1 comma n means 1 to n minus 1. So here 1 comma 6 represents 1 to 6 minus 1, that is 5. So they print 2 power 1 to 2 power I. Here I means 5. So up to 2 power 5, that is 32. So option is option A. That is first option is correct answer. Coming to seventh question, the correct answer for this is C. Friends, when I did in compiler, it is printed in vertical way like this tens, but not in horizontal like this. So third option is correct one. And coming to eighth question, the correct answer for this is fourth option, that is hello Aven Chaturvedi, how are you? It will print in first line, and proud to meet you will be print in second line, because here they have given the command first print statement, hello name, how are you. Name represents Avani Chaturvedi, so it will replace here, and first three are printed in first line, and the second command print will be printed after the first print statement. So this is correct answer. Proud to meet you will come second line, and all others are coming first line. And last but one question, ninth question, the correct answer is option A, loop terminates. Friends, when I did this, it is printed hello and it asked to enter choice. When I given, as they said, number 5, the loop terminated and said that the program is exited. It means loop is terminated but it executed. So you can also think that continuous execution may be also correct answer, but here the execution is okay, it is printed hello, but when we use while loop it should be looped until 5, but it is not looped until 5. When I given number 5, it directly came out of the loop. So I think loop terminates is the correct answer for that one. And coming to 10th question, what is the output for the following code? Friends, when I have did in compiler this question, the answer came out as 20. So third option 20 is the correct answer for this question. Friends, I have did this all these questions in the compiler whenever possible, so I can say you that these are 100% correct answers. In this case it may or may not be correct, but the loop is terminated and I have got output as I have the program is exited, so it may be definitely loop terminates. Okay, so friends, if you find this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and support us, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe. Bye. Thank you.